I'm in grade 7.
All right, and what are you doing today?
I am building a robot.
Okay, can you show me your robot? Like, what have you learned so far?
I've only learned how to connect this and this. I haven't learned much yet because it's only the start.
What are you looking forward to today?
I look forward to getting to build a complete robot and I think making it super fast and beat everyone else or something.
What electives do you guys want to go to?
Smart,
JCOM.
Okay, so first, why do you want to go to SMART?
because in the future I want to be an engineer, so I have to learn about math, science, and physics.
The robots today.
It's very cool and amazing. It's like a future technology.
This one, I think my dad would like it.